Welcome. If you're looking to share a Dropbox folder with editing permissions right from your mobile device, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through the updated steps to copy an editable link for a Dropbox folder using the app on your phone. First, open the Dropbox app on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed into your account where the folder is stored. Once you're in, look at the bottom of the screen and tap the Files option. This will show you all the folders and files stored in your Dropbox. Next, find the specific folder you want to share with editing permissions. To the right of that folder's name, you'll see 3 dots stacked vertically. This is the Options menu. Tap those 3 dots to open more actions you can take on that folder. A menu will pop up, and here you want to select the Share option. This is where you manage how the folder is shared with others. After tapping Share, you'll see an option labeled Link Settings or something similar. Look for the choice that says something like Link for Editing or Can Edit. This option ensures that anyone with the link will be able to make changes to the contents of the folder rather than just view them. Once you've selected the Editable Link option, you'll usually find a button or an icon to copy the link. Tap on Copy Link, and now the editable link is saved to your clipboard, ready to be pasted wherever you want, whether in an email, chat message, or a note. That's it. By following these simple steps, you've created and copied a link to your Dropbox folder that allows others to edit its contents. Sharing and collaborating just got easier from your mobile device. Remember, always double-check the permissions when sharing links to make sure you're giving others the right access. Thanks for watching.